Are you on the hunt for the ultimate edge AI solution? Let's dive into a showdown between NVIDIA Jetson and traditional IPCs. Spoiler alert, NVIDIA Jetson is way better for edge AI. NVIDIA Jetson is purpose-built for AI, with integrated GPU and AI accelerators. Traditional IPCs? They're better suited for general-purpose tasks. NVIDIA Jetson packs a punch with its integrated CPU, GPU, and AI accelerators, delivering up to 275 TOPS. In contrast, traditional IPCs need high-end GPUs guzzling 4 times more power to deliver comparable results. NVIDIA Jetson's compact form factor is a lot smaller than the smallest IPC motherboard. Look at the size of this IPC motherboard. It's the smallest one that is available on the market. Therefore, it makes NVIDIA Jetson perfect for edge applications like traffic monitoring and smart agriculture. NVIDIA Jetson delivers 275 TOPS at just 130 watts, while IPCs need over 500 watts for a similar performance. NVIDIA Jetson processes data right at the edge, keeping your information secure and private. No need for the cloud. Traditional IPCs, however, depend on cloud-based processing, which can raise concerns about data privacy and security. And the best thing about NVIDIA Jetson is its software ecosystem support. NVIDIA Jetson supports NVIDIA's Jetpack SDK, DeepStream, and TensorRT, which streamline AI development. Traditional IPCs rely on general-purpose software frameworks, lacking Jetson's specialized acceleration. NVIDIA Jetson is superior to traditional IPCs in terms of AI specialization, AI computing power, form factor, power efficiency, and privacy concerns. With its versatile real-world application, NVIDIA Jetson is the future of edge AI. Click on the link in the description to learn more.